Dear students, welcome to Bishop Academy online classes. Today we have to study the very first chapter of physical education, which is for the student of class 11th, and your topic is changing trends and career in physical education. So, the very first topic is introduction about the topic, and here we have to get discussed over points to remember. Among them, the very first point is physical education is integral part of general education. That's why it go on with the educational procedure from the time immortal. Next, it develops body and mind as well as whole personality. This is the subject which taught the students the importance of punctuality, discipline and various other higher moral values. Next, physical education is a vast subject and it has been given importance from age. Even in modern times, the yoga and game started to adopt as a boon for humanity for their fitness. Next is physical education is studied as regular subject at par with other academic subjects, so that the student could benefited with social, physiological and psychological elements of this subject, which make them disciplined and a well citizen of the country. Next, that is the trends in physical education and sports are also changing. That's why it has capability to improve itself day by day to meet the present challenges of the society and to provide the people with better health and education facilities. Now you have to get discussed over the definition that has been given by various scholars. The first definition has been given by J.B. Nash. What he says, physical education is that field of education which deal with big muscle activities and their related responses. So here J.B. Nash provide more importance to the muscles activities and their responses. Second definition is given by J.F. Williams. What he says, physical education is some of the man's physical activities selected and conducted to develop personality. So here you find in this definition personality gets more importance than the responses. Next, that is Delbert Abertfur. What he says, physical education is the sum of those experiences which come to the individual through movement. It is some improvement of the first definition. Next definition, R. Cassidy. What he says, physical education is the sum of changes in the individual caused by experience involving motor activities. It is also the further improvement of the first definition. Next definition is of A.R. Wayman. What he says, physical education is that part of education which has to do with the development and training of the whole individual through physical activities. So here he provide more importance to the training than rest of the things. Next definition is of AFER, that is American Association of Health, Physical Education and Recreation. What this organization adopted, physical education is the way of education through physical activities which are selected and carried on which regard to values in human growth, development and behavior. A broad definition, and the last definition is of Charles A. Butcher. What he says, physical education is an integral part of the total educational process, and its aim is to develop physically, emotionally and socially fit citizens through the medium of physical activities. So here you find that there are several definitions given. Out of entire this definition, you have to select any one definition and learn it properly. Next, that is aim of physical education. In India, the Central Advisory Board of Physical Education decided the aim of physical education as to make the every child physically, mentally and constitutionally fit, to develop in him such personal and social qualities that help him to live happily with others and build him into a good citizen. Next, that is objective of the physical education. Here you find that there are various objectives. As the very first is physical development of a person, second is psychological development of a person, next is social development, next is emotional development, and next is interpretative development. So here you find in physical education, we find that person physically get active and due to it acquire development. Along with it, the person get introduction with various psychological elements like anxiety, anger, joy, pain and what you call exhaustion, entire these things, social development. Here they started to know about sportsmanship along with tracing out the friends and enemies, and started to make friends from different what you call backgrounds, different religion, region. Along with it, they also understand about various type of persons that coming in the game for participating throughout the country or world. Next, emotional development. In sports and game and physical education, the student get a chance to read the emotion of other students, and even they get the capacity to control their own emotion. Along with it, in games or sports or even in physical education, they get interpretative development, means they get capability to express their joy and sorrow with others, which could not be possible in absence of this type of training. Next, that is changing trends in the physical education. Nowadays we find that trends in physical education to meet the need of the today's youth focus on three strands. Among them, the very first is fitness for all, second is health education, and third is lifelong exercise routines, which helps in providing, or you can say increasing lifespan of a person. Next, to counter the declining fitness trends, many schools and districts have taken a closer look at their physical educational programs. It become essential because people started to live sedentary lifestyle. That's why they have been down with the various type of lifestyle related diseases like sugar, or you can say diabetes, and overweight, obesity, blood pressure, various type of joint pains. So this subject helps in solving entire these problems. Next, the current trends in physical education instruction has focused less on fun and team sports and more on getting children healthy. So here we find that various type of indicators or parameters of the health like fitness, wellness, strength, speed, entire these things get familiar with the child through this subject. Even the balanced diet and various deformities and their corrective measures, entire these things are study matter of this subject physical education. Next, you have to know about the various physical education courses which provide help in building prosperous career in physical education or with the help of physical education. Among them, the most common is BPE or BPEd. For getting admission in these courses, it becomes essential for a student to pass class 12th with at least 50% marks and also have proficiency in sports. This course is of 4 years. After 4 years, they completed their degree as well as specification in sports. Second, that is Master of Physical Education. For getting admission in these courses, it becomes essential to have a BPEd degree with at least 50% of marks. This course is of 2 years. Next, that is Postgraduate Diploma in Fitness Management, PGDFM. For obtaining admission in this course, a minimum 45% marks is essential from a recognized university in graduation, and certainly it takes 1 year to complete the course. Along with it, postgraduate diploma in sports management. This course is of 1 year and students have to obtain minimum 45% mark in any of the bachelor degree program. Along with it, postgraduate diploma in sports journalism, that is of 1 year, and for qualifying it, it becomes essential to obtain more than 45% marks in graduation in any script. Along with it, master degree in sports coaching, there are various parameters for selecting in this course. Among them, the first is graduate in any subject from any recognized Indian or foreign university. Second, diploma courses in sports coaching from Sports Authority of India and National Sports College, various sports college with at least 60% marks. Along with it, attitude for research work and sports proficiency in any of these sports. Along with it, diploma courses could also be designed in sports coaching that has been developed by NIS diploma. Here sports proficiency is needed and this course is of 1 year. Even various type of certificate courses in sports coaching also run throughout the country, which is of 6 weeks and organized in various type of camps. The last course is postgraduate diploma in sports medicine. For getting admission in these courses, it becomes essential for a person to have Bachelor of Medicine and Bachelor of Surgery degree, means the person ought to be a doctor. Though doctors could apply for these courses is of 2 years. So after completing entire these courses, the person have a lot of option of career. Which type of options are there? Among them, they could be a teacher of physical education after completing MPEd. Along with it, as a coach, as a physical training instructor, which could help the person in losing weight or increasing weight. Along with it, there could be a fitness trainer in various departments. Government appoints such personnel so that the employees remain fit and healthy. Along with it, as a specialist of official of games, so that like you find in cricket there is the need of umpire, in various games there are need of referees. So entire these persons could be derived from this subject. Along with it, as a yoga instructor, this is the evergreen trade, and now yoga started to be famous throughout the world, and that's why there are vast opportunity in this particular subject. Along with it, as a sport journalist or commentator, the person could build a good career. Along with it, as a dietitian or physiotherapists, these dietitians provide additional support to the cure of a patient and increased the recovery rate. Along with it, as a biomechanics, the person could go on carry on research work, and from that various type of improved equipments and the articles related to the life, like new design of bags, new design of bicycles, new design of bikes started to be introduced due to the research work in biomechanics. Next, that is as an administrator or official or employees of the various stadium that has been established throughout the world for conducting various type of games. Along with it, there are also essential some soft skill which helps the person in building prosperous career. Among them, the very first is interest in that particular field. No person could build prosperous career in a particular field if the person do not have interest in that particular field. Second is good personality and good health. This provide or blessing the person with more hours of work which at least beneficial for that particular person. Along with it, sound minded, let him free from various type of psychological barriers like anxiety, along with it anger, emotions, entire these things. Along with it, good academic performance is also essential. If the person have good academic performance, then the person could get preference over others. Along with it, leadership ability could enable a person to face the new challenges and to improve himself in changing scenario so that it could escape themselves from cyclic or technical unemployment. Along with it, good organizational ability also helps the person in establishing their own business and to perform the work with the help of other persons in a most easy way. Along with it, dedication. Dedication is the most important point or skill which is required for a prosperous career. It is dedication which help the person in adverse conditions. Along with it, social qualities also escaped the person from various type of disputes and rebels. Along with it, good knowledge about its subject is a blessing of a person so that it could perform the best on their workplaces. Along with it, knowledge about good institution. Certainly, all of the person have the degrees, and if their degrees are from recognized universities or recognized institutions, then their value get increased. Suppose a person get engineering degree from IITs, then certainly the person get more respect than the person having their engineering degree from simple what you called universities or UPTU. Along with it, consultation with achiever. It's most important thing which provide a lot of inspiration to the person which wanted to build a career in a particular spheres. If they meet with the successful achiever, then certainly they get a lot of inspiration and become capable of tracing out their strengths and weakness, which helps them during their profession or the jobs. So, here we find that I taught you the very first chapter of this class 11th, and if you have some doubt, you could contact to me in your classes. When your classes go on, you could contact to me and ask the questions related to exercise or the terms that has been given in any portion of the lesson. So, now enjoy your studies. Thanks.